Now, today we are going to see the main formulas of the chapter index number. 5 marks is expected from such formulas. Now, let's understand. So far, we have seen index number as only comparison of price of current year with reference to price of base year. But now we are going to see index number where we also take into account quantity. So Q0 is quantity of base year and Q1 is equal to quantity of current year. So now we are going to assign weights, not only price, we will also see the quantity what was consumed in the base year as well as in the current year. Now the first formula was given by statistician Laspeyre, known as Laspeyre's index number. This is denoted by capital I and L. Now, if you remember, okay, just for the sake of derivation, I'm showing this to you. We had this. Sigma IW upon sigma W. Now, what is I? I is sigma P1 upon P0 into 100. And wait, now as per Laspeyre, we give weight P0 Q0, price of base year into quantity of base year. That is the weight what we give upon sigma W. So W is what? Weight is P0 Q0. Now what we do over here is Pi upon P0. So this P0 cancel. So we are left with sigma P1 or Pi Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So this is how we derive the first formula of Laspeyre. IL is equal to sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. Please write this. Laspeyre. नाउ लास्पियर का इंडेक्स नंबर तुम्हें याद कैसे रखना है? तुम नॉर्मली याद रख सकते हो लाइक दिस, that pi upon p0 is what you already did, and quantity of base year upon quantity of base year. Now second statistician came after Laspeyre, known as Paasche. So Laspeyre's index number and Paasche's index number. Now, Paasche's index number is denoted by IP. Now, in Paasche's index number, the formula is IP is equal to sigma. ध्यान दो please. Sigma P1 upon P0. We have already seen. But here it is quantity of base year. Here it will be quantity of current year. Q1, Q1 into 100. So Paasche's index number has quantity of current year and Laspeyre's index number has quantity of base year. Now, ये दोनों ने तो ये दे दिया formula, but still their formula was not considered to be ideal index number. So then came the third statistician, और देखो ये कितना स्मार्ट है, ये तीसरा स्टैटिस्टिशियन जिसका नाम है फिशर. So we had the third one, Fisher's index number, denoted by IF. Now Fisher, उसने कुछ भी नया नहीं किया. He said that my index number is basically what? IF is equal to under root of IL into IP. तो देखो उसने सिर्फ एक ज्योमेट्रिक मीन बना दिया फॉर लास्पियर एंड पाशे, and this Fisher's index number became the ideal index number. Please write this. See how smart. Laspeyre ने कहा quantity of base year, Paasche ने कहा quantity of current year, और फिशर ने कहा इन दोनों के फॉर्मूला का अंडर रूट which is geometric mean. Of Laspeyre and Paasche, and Fisher's index number became the ideal index number. Now, in the sum, if you are asked to find out all the three, the first one, the second one, and definitely the most important and the ideal, the third one, then you can go for this formula. If directly you are asked to find out only Fisher's index number, then you have to write this formula sigma pi or P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1, the whole under root into 100. So if a sum comes where you are asked only to find out Fisher's index number, then you have to use this formula, this one. Please write the formula. Now you can very well see over here that sigma pi upon sigma p1 p0, so p1 upon p0 remains common in both of them. Here you have q0 and here you have q1. So that's how you can remember. Yeah, Janvi, you have a doubt? Yes, Janvi, you have a doubt? Let's go to some sums and let's test these formulas and see how they work. So come to textbook. Question number, exercise, okay, no, let's do illustration first. Illustration number 12 from the textbook, page number 22. Page number 22. Now, let's read the question. रितेश उपाध्याय, म्यूट कर दे अपने आप को. Now, let's read the question. Find Laspeyre, Paasche, and Fisher's index number for the year 2016 with base year 2015 from the data about price and consumption of food items given below. Now, ध्यान देना please. Item. So these are the items what we consume. Unit यानी क्या? ध्यान देना प्लीज. यूनिट यानी ये जो प्राइस दिया है वो इस यूनिट के लिए दिया है. यानी दिस इज 40 रुपीज पर किलोग्राम. प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू पे अटेंशन. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. आगे कन्वर्जन के सम्स में ये आएगा. सो प्लीज ध्यान दो. All of you, please pay attention. Now, this price over here, you can see over here price is 40, price is 44, price is 50, price is 36. So this is 40 per kg, 44 per liter, 50 per kilogram, or 50 per kg, and 36 for dozen. Again, you can see over here price is given. So this price 39 is for 1 kilogram. This price 40 is for 1 liter. This price 45 is for 1 kilogram. And this price 30 is for 1 dozen. Now they both important concept है. फिर से एक बार ध्यान दो. The unit given over here means what? That this price is of this unit. So 40 rupees per kg. This price is of this unit. I hope you understood. All of you. All of you. All of you understood this. Okay, ध्यान देना please. ये बहुत important point है. Now, quantity is what we are consuming in the year 2016 and in the year 2015. Now, over here, this price is of 2016, this price is of 2015. 2015 is the base year, so P0. Quantity of the base year, so Q0. Year 2016, current year, so P1, and quantity Q1. Please write this heading. I hope all of you have understood this price is of this unit. Now, we have to find out Laspeyre, Paasche, and Fisher. So one by one we have to find out. So first, let's write the question. We have to find out all the three. So make a heading and proper format. Here comes the format. Okay, this is the format you have to make. Items, unit, P0, Q0, or let's change it. Okay. P1, Q1 I'll write first. And then P0 and Q0. So जैसे दिया है वैसे ही हम लिख लेते हैं. Yes, Adil, you want to speak anything? Now, let's write the unit. kilogram, liter, kilogram, dozen. Then P1. So 40, 44, 50, 36. Don't copy from the textbook, there the format is different. Okay. Q1 is 1.5. You can write 1.5 kg or just 1.5 is fine. 10, 1.5, 1.5. P0, price of base year, 39, 40, 45, 30. 1 kg, 12 liter, 2 kg, 2 dozen. Now, now you have to make these 4 columns P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 QI, and P0 QI. These are these two for Laspeyre and these two for Paasche. We give them some shade. Are all ready with the format?
Yes, sir.
Now, while calculating, okay, please be very careful. Don't make mistake. Be careful about the column. So P1Q0. So P1 into Q0. P1Q0. So 40 into 1, 44 into 12, 50 into 2, and 36 into 2, 72. Then the total, later we will do the total. So P1 Q0 is P1 into Q0. P0 Q0. So be careful to हाथ रख के properly करना in the book. P0 Q0 into Q0. You can see the highlighted ones. Now 39, 480, 90, and 60. P1 Q1. So this one, P1 and Q1. P1 into Q1. And then P0 Q1. P0 into Q1. So let's do the total. Seven forty, 669, 629, and 571. Now, let's go for the formula. First, we go for Laspeyre's. index number IL is equal to sigma PIQ0 upon sigma P0Q0 into 100, which is equal to 740 upon 669 into 100, which is equal to, use calculator,
110.61.
110.61, 6128, so 61. Then Paasche's index number is equal to IP, which is equal to sigma PIQI or P1Q1 upon sigma P0Q1 into 100, which is equal to 629 upon 571 into 100.
110.1.
110.157, so 16. And then the third one, Fisher ideal index number. Fisher's index number is equal to IF, which is equal to under root of IL into IP, which is equal to 110.61 into 110.16 under root 110.3847, so which is equal to 110.38. Answer. Next question, exercise 1.3. Question number 3. Exercise 1.3. Question number 3. Come to exercise 1.3, question number 3. Now, such sums are expected for 5 marks, okay? Please be careful while you do them. Find the Laspeyre, Paasche, and Fisher's index number for the year 2015 with base year 2014 using the following information. Now, very important for you all to first understand the question because इससे कनेक्टेड है कन्वर्जन वाले सम्स. तो अगर तुम अभी ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो कन्वर्जन में ऑनलाइन में तुम्हें बहुत दिक्कत आएगा. फिर ऑनलाइन को ब्लेम मत करना, तुमने ध्यान नहीं दिया इसके लिए. सो प्लीज ध्यान दो, ये क्वेश्चन जब मैं पढ़ता हूं कुछ कंसेप्ट समझाऊंगा, सो प्लीज ध्यान दो. नाउ आइटम्स आर गिवन: wheat, राइस, पल्सेस, ऑयल, क्लोथ, केरोसिन. ये यूनिट क्यों दिया है? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? ये यूनिट क्यों दिया है? ये यूनिट क्या दिखाता है?
सर वो चीज में मेजर होता है इसलिए।
जिसमें मेजर होता है. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, बराबर है. पर हम तो ये यूनिट को कहीं पे भी कैलकुलेशन में नहीं लेते. तो यूनिट क्यों दिया है? क्योंकि क्योंकि ये जो प्राइस दिया है, ये प्राइस दिया है इस यूनिट के लिए. समझ में आया? यानी अगर तुम कुछ खरीदने गए, वीट खरीदने गए, तो तुमने उसको पूछा कि सू प्राइस से व्हाट इज द प्राइस, तो द पर्सन सेड 15, बट यू विल से 15 फॉर व्हाट? 15 में कितना आएगा? तो 15 में आएगा 1 kg. अंडरस्टूड दिस ऑल ऑफ यू?
यस सर।
ध्यान देना, प्लीज ध्यान देना. इधर उधर नजर नहीं भटकनी चाहिए, दिमाग नहीं भटकना चाहिए, इसमें ध्यान दो, नहीं तो कन्वर्जन में बहुत दिक्कत होगा. नाउ ये जो प्राइस है 2015 में, उसमें वीट का प्राइस क्या हो गया? वीट का प्राइस हो गया 18. पर 18 में कितना वीट? 18 रुपीज में कितना वीट आएगा? 30 किलो या 1 किलो?
1 किलो।
All of you understood this? ये price is of this unit. हेलो हेलो.
यस सर।
यस सर।
पता चला?
यस।
यानी क्वांटिटी आई एम कंज्यूमिंग 30 किलो, पर प्राइस 18 रुपीज is for 1 kg. Is this clear?
यस सर।
Now ध्यान दो. अब यहां पे quantity of 2014 is given and 2015. So 2015, 14 is Q0, P0, Q1, P1. तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन अब हमारे पास है. लेट्स राइट दिस इन द फॉर्मेट. मेक अ फॉर्मेट. हियर कम्स द फॉर्मेट फॉर यू ऑल. Here I have taken as per this Q0, P0. So Q0, P0, Q1 and P1. And then PI, Q0, P0, Q0, regular. So let's start putting the values. Wheat, unit is kg. Rice, kg. Pulse, kg. Oil also kg. देखो oil भी kg है. Cloth, meter. And kerosene, liter. Now Q0, 20, 10, 10, 6, 15, 18. 20, 10, 10, 6, 15, 18. P0, 15, 20, 26.5, 24.8, 21.25 and 21. Q1, 30, 15, 15, 8, 25, 30. P1, 18, 31.25, 29.50, 30, 25, 28.8. कुछ लोग खाते खाते मेरा लेक्चर देखते हैं। भाई ये कोई तुम मूवी देखने नहीं आओ कि पॉपकॉर्न खाते खाते एंटरटेनमेंट मिलेगा। अभी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो खाना छोड़ दो, तुम पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो। सो प्लीज, जिनका कैमरा ऑफ है और वो कुछ खा रहे हैं, कोई कॉफी पी रहा है, कोई चाय पी रहा है, प्लीज अभी तुम पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो। आई सिंसियरली रिक्वेस्ट यू, अदरवाइज तुम इसमें मिस्टेक कर दोगे, 5 मार्क्स विल गो। ये कोई एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं चल रहा अभी के हम खाते खाते फैमिली मैन सी एपिसोड्स देख रहे हैं। हाँ भाई प्लीज, तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, ऑल्दो तुम स्क्रीन के सामने हो, प्लीज जागो बच्चों जागो। और अगर पेरेंट्स सुन रहे हैं तो प्लीज ये ध्यान दो कि यहाँ पे बच्चों को पढ़ाई करना है तो खाना नहीं खाना है, अभी अभी लिखना है उनको, सम बुक हाथ में रखनी है और लिखना है। तो खाएंगे कैसे? खाएंगे तो पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे। तो प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू कि प्लीज अभी ये टाइम पे सिर्फ पढ़ाई करो प्लीज। नाउ लेट्स गो टू दीज P1Q0, P1 into Q0. P0 into Q0. Be very careful. एक भी कॉलम इधर से उधर हो गया, सम हो जाएगा रॉन्ग। P1Q1 and P0Q1. Pi or P1Q0 is with us. P1Q1 upon P0Q1 is also with us. So let's do the totals. Now ये जो columns है ना, P1Q0, P0Q0, you keep it fixed because directly formula में we need all these values. So you better keep this fixed as it is, and this you go as per the question, okay? So that you don't get jumbled or fumbled here and there and you don't make mistakes. So directly Q0, P0, Q1 and P1, okay? This you keep uniform, this portion, okay? Now, we start with Laspeyre. Laspeyre's index number IL is equal to sigma P1Q0 upon sigma P0Q0 into 100, which is equal to 2040.90 upon 1610.6 into 100, which is equal to
126.72.
126.72. Paasche's index number IP is equal to sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100, which is equal to 3180.3 upon 2507.2 into 100, which is equal to
126 point
126.84668, so 85. And then Fisher's index number IF is equal to sigma P1. Directly we use, no need to do this. फिशर वॉज द स्मार्टेस्ट ऑफ द ऑल, दोनों के फॉर्मूला को अंडर रूट में डाल के ही क्लेम कि ये मेरा आइडियल इंडेक्स नंबर है, और सही में ऐसा ही हुआ. फिशर्स इंडेक्स नंबर इज अ ज्योमेट्रिक मीन of Laspeyre and Paasche. A very important objective MCQ question can come. Under root of 126.72 into 126.85. 126.78. Now, question number 6, exercise 1.3. Find the Paasche and Fisher's index number for the year 2015 with base year 2014 using the data given below. Now, items are given, price is given, but here expenditure is given. Now, what does this mean? Expenditure यानी खर्चा. So expenditure means what? Price of base year into quantity of base year. So here we have to find quantity. How we will find the quantity? Total expense divided by price. You get quantity. Similarly, price of current year and total expenditure, which is P1 into Q1. So how we will find out P1? P1 Q1 divided by P1. So we will find the quantity. So यहाँ पे we have to find the quantity of base year and quantity of current year and then go for the formula. So let's make the columns now. Items A, B, C, D, E. Then price. Now over here, price is given of the base year. So P0 is given. But we want to find out the quantity. So Q0 is equal to expenditure upon P0. We'll just make this proper for you all. So Q0 is equal to expenditure upon P0. Then we have P1 and P1. So now Q1 is equal to expenditure upon P1. And then P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. Now why we will need all is because we also have to find out Fisher. That's why. Now let's go one by one. P0. First let's write this 100, 100, 150, 180, 250. Q0. 400 divided by 100. So 4. 500 divided by 100. So 5. 600 divided by 150. So 4. 1080. 1080 divided by 180, which is equal to 6. And 1000 divided by 250, which is equal to 4. So we get P0, Q0. So you can see expenditure कैसे आया. 4 quantity into 100. So you get 400 rupees is what you spent. Then 5 into 100 is 500 what you spent. Now P1, 120, 120, 160, 200, 300. Now Q1 is equal to expenditure. So 720 divided by 120. So 6. 600 divided by 120. So 5. 800 divided by 160. So 5. 1000 divided by 200. So 5. And 1200 divided by 300. So 4. Now we have all the required information with us. So let's find out P0, Q0 and P1, Q1. P1 into Q0. P0 into Q0. P1 into Q1. P0 into Q1. And then the totals. Now let's find out various values. Now over here we have to find out Paasche and we have to find out Fisher only. So no need to find out Laspeyre. Okay, that's just not required. So here we'll use a bit different formula for Fisher. So Paasche's index number. IP is equal to sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So 4320 upon 3750 into 100, which is equal to 115.20. Now we go for Fisher. Fisher's index number. IF is equal to, now because we have not found Laspeyre, so we go for sigma P0 Q0, sigma Pi Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into sigma Pi Qi upon sigma P0 Qi whole under root into 100, which is equal to 4120 upon 3580 into 4320 upon 3750, the whole under root into 100, which is equal to 4120 into 4320, divide by 3580, again divide by 3750, then under root, then 100, which is 115.14. Answer. सबका आंसर आ गया ये? All of you?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
let's go for the homework. This homework you have to show tomorrow. So illustration number 12 we have already done, but I want you to do it again. Illustration 13 अभी नहीं करना है, वो conversion वाला समय तो मैं कल कराऊंगा. Illustration number 14 is a simple sum. Then illustration number 15. Now in illustration 15, quantity is given and expense is given. So you divide expenditure by quantity, you will get the price. So illustration 15 and then illustration number 16. Then question 6 we have done, not required again. Section F. Question number 1. Expenses given and price is given. So you have to find the quantity. Then question number 2. And question number 4. plus, okay, one more. Question number 9 plus formula for chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 formula. So this is your homework for today. You have to send it before 12 o'clock tomorrow.